Good morning and welcome back to my channel, Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I'm Moses. As you can see, we're inside my kitchen. Today, I am going to bake a sour cream pound cake and I'm going to top it with caramel and toasted pecans. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is tell you about my ingredients. We have 3 cups of sugar, 2 sticks of butter, unsalted, 3 cups of flour. In this case, it's cake flour. I've added baking soda, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt. And we have 6 eggs, room temperature, and we have our vanilla. Okay, we're going to put in our butter. And our sugar. And we're going to blend until it's fluffy and light. Should take about anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, the butter and sugar are creamed together. Now we're going to add the eggs one at a time. Okay, we're going to scrape down the sides and the paddle. Make sure everything is incorporated. And we're going to blend again. And we're going to add our vanilla. The recipe calls for a teaspoon and a half. You can put more if you like. Scrape down again. Okay. We're going to add our flour all at once. And blend slowly. And last but not least, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. I'm going to remove the paddle in the bowl and mix the remaining by hand. You don't want to overbeat, because then your batter becomes tough. And this is what your batter will look like. So now we're going to grease our pan. I'm using a baker's spray or cooking spray with flour in it. And I'm just going to grease the sides, the bottom, and the middle. And I'm going to shake it to make sure it's all evened out. And I'm going to use my spatula to smooth the tops. Shake it one more time to make sure all the air bubbles are out. Okay, we're going to put this into a 325-degree oven. It will bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, we have done some housekeeping. My mom and my grandmother taught me that when you're cooking, you clean as you go. And I definitely believe in that. So in order to make the caramel sauce, everything has to be room temperature. So I'm going to allow 3/4 cup of whipping cream, a 1/2 cup of, or 1 stick of salted butter, and 1.5 cups of sugar to come to room temperature before I make it. And hopefully by that time, the cake will be close enough to, close enough to come out of the oven, and we can show you the finished product. So stay tuned. As you can see, the cake is done and out of the oven. It came out perfectly. And I went ahead and made my caramel sauce. Remember, it has a stick of salted butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, and 3/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. You take the butter and sugar and let the sugar caramelize in the butter. Be careful not to burn it. If you do, you have to throw it out and start all over. And then remove, slowly add the whipping cream to the mixture. Remove it from the heat and keep stirring. And this is what you end up with. So what I'm going to do is drizzle it over the top. That is so good. Tastes just like store-bought caramel. And here you go. This is what it looks like. So I hope you really enjoyed watching me make this cake. It came out delicious, absolutely perfect. If you're interested in me doing more type of videos like this, let me know in the comment section of the video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video rather. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and think about doing so. If you do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. And until next time, stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Always remember, too, to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.